everybody. This time I'm gonna to teach you a new technique. This is called how to do a lot of Sonimods. You see, when you build a domino line and when you put Sonimod, only one you can do, but you can do more. This means first we build a normal domino line. And then we are going to do Sonimod again. And after we can't build again one more, but we can build. After this hit this, we are again going to keep the straight line here. And then again you can build Sonimod. And then we can do how much we want. So this is called how to do a lot of Sonimods. So we can build how much we want. We can do lot of Sonimods with this technique. So this is the finish. So let's topple it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.